Welcome to my channel, The Three Mountains. My name is White Eagle, and this video is part 2 of the Unitotal mind. We keep on analyzing the thoughts that arise during our meditation practice. And let's see what Master Samael has to say. The Unitotal mind, part 2. Transactional analysis. There exist psychological transactions too. How would this or that aggregate, ego, behave in relation to other aggregates we possess in the interior of our psyche? For example, if it is an aggregate of anger, how would this aggregate act? How would this aggregate behave in relation to the other aggregates? Covetousness, lust, laziness, jealousy, pride, gluttony, etc. What other aggregates would this ego associate with? That is the key question for you to remember when we think of transactional analysis. Now, Master Samael continues, with covetousness, maybe? If so, then we would have a covetous, angry type of person. Let's see the image. I put this picture for somebody exploding in anger. Now let's continue. Master Samael says, or with the ego of jealousy, maybe. In such a case, we would have a jealous, angry type of person. And that would be horrible, really. And if it is with the aggregate of lust, then we would have an ego of the type angry sexual, right? And we have that image. Now, my words, we must look into what associations one ego makes with other egos whenever it manifests. Rarely one ego acts on its own. Example, people get hurt by words in their pride, and this ego of pride erupts through an ego of anger. If this ego of anger is not appeased, then the desire to physically hurt others appears too, or the desire to take revenge, etc., etc. Another example, in a party a person gets drunk, with the ego of alcohol manifesting. Then, in a conversation, his pride is hurt, the ego of pride manifesting. And then anger arises, and if this anger is not erased, then it explodes in a fight. This behavior becomes repetitive if not eliminated. The ego repeats itself inside a group of egos and becomes characteristic in the personality of a given person. Now, you will notice that our actions, behavior are repetitive if you start using self-observation. Then it is possible to catch oneself in the act of repeating the same behavior and ask the Divine Mother for its elimination. Please watch again video 64 on death of the ego daytime and at night with the practice of alchemy. Now Master Samael continues by saying, the structural analysis and the transactional analysis allow us to fully understand any type of aggregate. Once understood this or that aggregate, we must appeal to that transcendental thought, meaning fire. I refer in an emphatic way to Kundalini Shakti. If we proceed in this way, the right way, we can then disintegrate in a didactic way all the undesirable elements, inside which our mind is found bottled up. By eliminating such elements and sub-elements, egos, we can free the mind. This is the way in reality for us to possess a unitotal mind, an individual mind. And now that is the end of video 2, part 2 of the Unitotal mind, and my final words. If you feel the need to write to me with an inquiry regarding the path of the three mountains, please do so by emailing me here at the3mountains19@gmail.com. I hope that in your next meditation practice you use the structural analysis and then the transactional analysis to find out about your egos, as Master Samael requests, and of course remember to proceed to the elimination of those egos that you found during the practice of alchemy or with the death in motion. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.